Hi again, everybody. Nick Yin here. Hello, Professor Lapus. Sorry I'm not doing this in my fancy pods at work. It's just becoming a bit too cumbersome to stay too late. So I ended up investing in a whiteboard that I will eventually be putting in my office. Just need to do a whole bunch of rework in there. So for the purpose of these videos, for the next few, we're gonna do them here. Please disregard the mess. Anyhow, this is Student Learning Outcome 2.1. So I'll go ahead and start working through this. Effectively, we chose problem number 1 for this section, and then in the next video, I'm going to work on problem 16, but I wanted to keep everything pretty clean here. We have the integral quantity 2x minus 3 to the negative 7th power dx. Effectively, what we're needing to do with this is find the original function that was, how do I say this? We need the function that this is a product of, or the derivative of. So the first step, what we're looking to do is use the u substitution. So we identify the u, and then we have 2x minus 3 as the u here. And then the u prime, which is the derivative of 2x minus 3, is just simply 2. But we need it to be in this format here in order to have an accurate substitution. So if we look at this function here, 2 times dx, you would have du equals 2 times dx. We need that dx to be isolated, so we would effectively divide by 2. Now we have du divided by 2, which gives us 1/2 du equals dx. So that is how we end up with this new problem, which is our u substitution problem. So 1/2 integrand u to the negative 7th times du. Now we need to apply the power rule. In some instances, like I know that we've looked at videos where they said the antiderivative, which makes sense, right? Because we're working backwards to come into the function, as opposed to when we're finding the derivative, that is moving forward away from the original function, which is down here. So anyhow, apply the power rule, which is u n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And I have them listed over here. I have the u substitution function and the power rule listed here. So u n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, which gives us our constant. So if we go back, or if we keep our u substitution or our u in play here, you would have 1/2, and then you have u minus 7 plus 1, so negative 7 plus 1, and then divided by negative 7 plus 1. So now you have 1/2 times u to the negative 6 divided by negative 6 plus c. Just work your math through. You have negative 1/12 times u to the negative 6 plus c. Once you have your final format, you resubstitute what u was equal to, which is 2x minus 3. And the original function is negative 1/12 times 2x minus 3 to the negative 7th plus c. So that is number 1. I'm going to be working on, I think it's 16 or 13, one of those two. So we'll start uploading these videos in the coming days. Thanks.